Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Umax AI and overview. So let's get started. So let's open the Umax AI. So basically, Umax is an app. It gives you the face rating of your face. Okay, whether your face is good shape or not, what do you need to do to fix that, and many other things related to your face. Basically, you have to first of all you click on begin skin. So when you will just begin your scan, it will scan your face and it will tell you what you need to do into your face, and it will show you many other things. So to get the full result, you have to pay for their premium. So you can just get it is a $5 a week. You can just get it. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.